Hey now, this is Glenn and Abe from 3D Squared.
And welcome to the stunning new theater we just completed called the Midway Theater.
Every extraordinary space begins with a dream. For this client, that dream was to create the ultimate home theater, a sanctuary dedicated to the art of cinema. But transforming a vision into reality doesn't happen overnight. This is the story of how 3 years of meticulous planning, collaboration, and unwavering commitment culminated in a theater that redefines what's possible in residential entertainment. Our journey began not with construction, but with countless hours of planning before construction. We worked hand in hand with the client to refine every detail, every specification, and every element that would eventually come together to create their perfect theater. And here's what made this project truly unique. We started with an empty lot. This blank canvas gave us a unique opportunity to work directly with the architects and engineers, ensuring that we could create the perfect theater based upon the client's expectations and specifications. With the space defined, we turned our attention to what would make or break this theater, the acoustics. Understanding that our client was making a rather substantial investment in equipment, we knew we couldn't leave anything to chance. That's why we brought in not one, but two acousticians to devise a comprehensive plan. Their mission? To maximize every dollar of the client's investment and ensure that the room itself would work in perfect harmony with the technology we'd be installing. Through careful analysis of room dimensions, surface materials, and sound reflection patterns, they developed a strategy that would allow the equipment to perform at its absolute peak. And what equipment we're talking about? Abe, can you briefly discuss the equipment in the theater?
The Brewer Home Theater consisted of a 13.8.10 Dolby Atmos speaker configuration. This consisted of 3 SCL1 main speakers, 10 SCL2 side and rear surrounds, and 8 SSW1 powerful JBL subwoofers, 4 in the front and 4 in the back of the room. To power this incredible speaker system, an array of JBL amplifiers were utilized, including the SDA 2200 as well as several DSI series amplifiers.
But having world-class equipment is only half the equation. The magic happens in the calibration, and for a system this advanced, we needed expertise that matches sophistication. So JPL sent their engineer to calibrate the synthesis system. The result is a system that doesn't just play loud, it plays accurately, reproducing every whisper, every explosion, every musical note exactly as the filmmakers intended. Of course, a theater isn't just about sound, it's about the complete sensory experience. The client fell in love with our signature Gatsby design, a style that evokes the glamour and elegance of Hollywood's golden age. But the room presented us with a unique challenge. Due to the size of the space, we needed to modify our standard Gatsby design to accommodate panels that stood an impressive 8 feet tall. This wasn't simply a matter of scaling up. We had to reimagine the proportions, the details, and the visual flow to work at this grander scale. To create a comprehensive visual narrative throughout the entire room, we added a more organic design under the chair rail, which provides visual movement and interest at the seated eye level. And along the soffit, we added a Deco cloud motif, providing the perfect transition to the hypnotizing fiber optic ceiling. Every great theater needs a showpiece, and for this project, we found it in an unexpected place, our archives. Years before this theater was even conceived, we had created a Hollywood mural, a celebration of cinema's most iconic imagery. We knew immediately that this was meant to be for the back wall. But we didn't simply reproduce it, we customized every element, seamlessly adapting it to fit the entire back wall while ensuring it perfectly complemented the Gatsby design. The result is a wall that doesn't just fill space, it tells a story, honoring the history of Hollywood with an Art Deco flair. For a theater of this caliber, we knew that standard seating simply would not suffice. So we selected premium luxury elite cinema seats that perfectly balance form and function, each one a masterpiece of ergonomic engineering wrapped in supple top grain leather. In closing, The project evolved from an empty lot to a fully realized dream. This theater represents 3 years of dedication, collaboration, and craftsmanship. It's a space where cutting-edge technology meets timeless design, where every sonic detail has been perfected, and where every visual element works in harmony. The result? A stunning theater that delivers the ultimate immersive movie-watching experience. Proof that when you combine vision, patience, and expertise, dreams really do come true.
So that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing theater we just created.
And stay tuned to our next exciting theater project.
Have a great day.